Alright, so we left off the last video with this equation, and we are going to complete the square. Alright, so what we have to recall is that whenever we have x plus any number squared, when we expand this, the form of the expanded form would look like x squared plus twice this number times x plus this last number squared. Okay? So we look at this general form and notice that the coefficient on x is what we have given to us, and it's just twice of what's going to go in the perfect squared form. So we take the 10 and we divide it by 2, and that would give us 5. But to complete the square, what we're missing is this a squared term. So if this is a, then we would square that to get 25, and that's the number which we need to add and subtract to complete the square. Okay? So we're going to take this 25 and we're going to add the 25, but also subtract the 25, because in essence what we're doing here is nothing. Plus 25 minus 25 is 0. And why we do that is because we have to maintain the balance in this equation. Right? It's perfectly balanced right now, and if we just add 25, it's not going to be in balance anymore. But if we add and subtract 25, it'll stay in balance. But when we do that, notice these first three terms now, not this one, but these first three terms form a complete square. This is 5 squared, and this is 5 times 2, just like we see in our little notes over here. Okay, this number squared needs to be, corresponding with this right here. The square root of this is going to be multiplied by 2 to get this coefficient. In other words, we take the coefficient on x, divide it by 2 to get what a needs to be, square that, that's what we add and subtract from both sides. We can condense this to our perfect square now. This is going to equal x plus 5 squared. But we still have this minus 25. Minus 25. Alright? And this is what y is equal to. Alright? And so this is our answer. We just completed the square. Y is equal to x plus 5 squared minus 25. What we can do next is look at